Hello students, today we are going to discuss about all the theory parts in the lesson circles in grade 8 maths. First we'll recall your previous knowledge about the circle. Axis of symmetry of a circle. A line dividing any plane figure into two equal parts which coincide with each other is called the axis of symmetry. Circle has many axes of symmetry. You can observe it by looking at the diagram given here. Now we are going to learn about the parts of a circle. You observe the diagram given here. Boundary of the circle is called the circumference. Then the midpoint of the circle is known as the center. Then line joining the center and any point on the circle is the radius. The line joining any two points on the circle through the center is called the diameter. So these are the parts of a circle. These parts are necessary when we are studying about the circle further. In this grade, first of all, we are going to learn about chords of a circle. What is a chord of a circle? A line joining any two points on the circle is called a chord. We have to remember the longest chord of a circle is its diameter. You can observe it through the diagram given here. I have marked several chords inside this circle. Our next term is the arcs of a circle. What is an arc? A chord divides a circle into two arcs. The larger one is called as the major arc and the smaller one is named as minor arc. You can observe the diagram given here. I have marked the two arcs, major arc and the minor arc. Now let's learn what is a segment of a circle. A part of a circle bounded by a chord and an arc is called a segment of a circle. In the diagram given here, the part with the red color is the major segment. It is bounded by the chord and the major arc. Then the part with the blue color is the minor segment. It is bounded by the chord and the minor arc. So this is the way to identify segments. Now the next term is sectors of a circle. A part of a circle bounded by two radii and an arc is called a sector of a circle. In the diagram given here, I have marked the major sector and the minor sector. So the smaller section of the circle is named as minor sector and the larger part is the major sector. The angle subtended at the center of the circle by the arc is called the central angle. In the diagram I have drawn the central angles. The acute angle AOB is the central angle of the minor sector and the reflex angle AOB is the central angle of the major sector. So there are two central angles at the center of the circle. Exercise 23.1, first question. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm and name its center O. I will draw a circle like this. You have to use the pair of compass and draw a circle. This is O. Then the radius is 3 cm here. Radius 3 cm. Draw a diameter of this circle and name it PQ. Then draw a diameter. Diameter can be drawn like this. A line going through the center of the circle. Then name it PQ. PQ is the diameter. Then what are they asking? Measure the length of the diameter. What will be the length of the diameter? PQ equal to 6 cm. Then question number 2. Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters. You have to use the pair of compass and draw the circle. The radius is 3.5 centimeter. Then mark a point A on the circle. I will take a point A like this. This is point A. Draw several chords starting from A. Draw several chords starting from A. Then find the length of the longest chord you have drawn. How to draw it? You can draw like this. Starting from A, you can draw several chords like this. Then length of the longest chord. The longest chord will be its diameter. It should be go through the center of the circle. So you can draw the longest chord like this. It goes through the diameter. If it is the diameter, it goes through the diameter. So find the length of the longest chord. What will be the length of the longest chord? If the radius is 3.5 centimeter, then the length of the longest chord will be 7 centimeters. This is the answer. In third question, draw any circle and mark the points A, B, C, D on it. I will take a circle, use a pair of compass and draw the circle. This is the circle. Then mark the points A, B, C, D. I will mark the points like this. A, B, C, D. These are the points. Then draw the chord AC. The chord AC. This is the chord AC. Name the two arcs separated by the chord AC. What are the two arcs separated by the chord AC? This one is the arc ABC. Arc ABC. You can name it as minor arc. Minor arc ABC. This is the minor arc. Minor arc ABC. Then this one is the major arc ADC. Major arc ADC. Then question number 4. First part, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. I will draw a circle. This is 4 centimeter radius. Draw a chord such that 2 equal arcs are obtained. Draw a chord such that 2 equal arcs are obtained. You have to draw a chord like this. That should be the diameter of the circle to obtain 2 equal arcs. So I can draw any diameter like this. So then name it AB. This should be named as AB. Then what is the name suitable for the chord AB? What is the name suitable for chord AB? That is the diameter of the circle. Diameter. Question number 5. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Name it center O. By using the pair of compass, you have to draw a circle like this. Then the radius is O. Center is O. Radius is 5 centimeter. Then what are they asking? Draw a chord which is 6 centimeter in length and name it AB. Now when you are drawing it, you have to use the ruler and measure 6 centimeter length and draw the arc, draw the chord in it. I will draw like this. This is the chord AB. The length of it is 6 centimeter. Then what is the next question? Name the midpoint of AB and AB as P and join OP. This is P. This is P and we have to join OP. This is the way we are doing the third part here. Then measure and write down the magnitudes of APO and BPO. APO means this angle, BPO this angle. If you measure the magnitudes correctly, you will get APO angle equal to 90 degrees and BPO angle equal to 90 degrees. Exercise 23.2. First question. From the given terms, select and write the most suitable term for each of the regions indicated by an English letter. First part here, that is a chord. Then in second figure, we can identify it is a major arc. Then number 3, a central angle. Number 4, that is a major segment. Then number 5, a sector. Actually, this is a major sector. Then number 6, that is a minor arc. Number 7, that is a minor segment. Number 8, it is a radius. Number 10, a diameter. So these are the answers for question number 1. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, a straight line segment which joins the center of a circle to any point on the circle is called a radius of the circle. In second one, the longest chord of a circle is called a diameter. Third, if the diameter of a circle is 200 millimeters, then its radius is half of it, that is equal to 100 millimeters. Then in centimeters, it is 10 centimeters. Number 4, a region of a circle bounded by a chord and an arc is called a segment. Last one, number 5, a region of a circle bounded by 2 radii and an arc is called a sector. These are the answers for question number 2 here. Third question of the exercise 23.2. You are given this diagram. Name the segments in the figure. Name the segments in the figure. What are the segments here? We can name the segments like this. Minor segment PQR. So the first question, minor segment. Minor segment PQR. Then the other one is major segment. Major segment PSR. This is the way you are, not PQ here, PS. That should be PS. Major segment PSR. Then part 2, shape the minor segment of the circle. You can shape the minor segment PQR in the diagram. Then fourth question, draw a circle of radius 3.5 cm and name its center O. Circle with radius 3.5 cm. The center is O here. Radius is 3.5. Then draw a chord AB through O. A chord AB through O. Like this. I'll use another color. I can draw a chord through AB like this. This is the chord AB. Then what can you say about the two segments you get? There are two segments, but the two segments are equal in size. So What is the suitable name for the above two segments? These two segments can be named as semicircles. These are semicircles. Question number 5. What is the name given to the shaded part of the circle? The shaded part is the sector of the circle. So the name will be part 1. For part 1, name will be sector of the circle. In second part, write down its boundaries. The boundaries are OX, OY, 2 radii. OX, OY, radii. And XY arc. Then in third part, what is the name given to the angle XOY? Angle XOY is the central angle. You can name it as acute angle XOY. That is the central angle. You can name it as acute angle XOY. Question number 6. Draw a circle with center O. By using the compass, you draw a circle with center O. Then mark 2 points M and N on the circle such that a minor arc and a major arc are obtained. I will take M and N here. So this is the minor arc and this one is the major arc. Shade the sector with central angle equal to the reflex angle MON. Then we have to join MON, ON like this. Then shade the sector with the central angle equal to the reflex angle MON. So this one should be the sector. It has a reflex angle MON. Then question number 7. Draw a circle with center O. Then draw a diameter AB. This is a diameter AB. Then mark a point X on the circle distinct from A and B. I will take X here. Then shade the sector AXB. AXB is the sector. So this one is the sector AXB. Then measure and write down the magnitude of the central angle of the sector AXB. Here the central angle is this one. So if you measure the magnitude here, that will be 180 degrees. AOB equal to 180 degrees if you measure it accurately. Question number 8. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Name its center O. I will draw a circle like this. The center is O. Then the radius is 5 cm. Then mark a point P on the circle and join OP. I will take a point P like this. Then join OP. Then using the protractor, draw the sector POQ such that POQ equal to 60 degrees. POQ should be 60 degrees. I can take Q like this. Here, this is 60 degrees. Then draw a sector QOR. QOR equal to 150 degrees. QOR should be 150 degrees. QOR. I can take R here. This should be 150. The magnitude of this angle is 150. Then name the remaining sector and write the magnitude of its central angle. The remaining sector is POR. Sector is POR. Remaining sector will be POR. Then what will be the central angle here? You can measure it. It should be 150 degrees. The magnitude will be 150 degrees if you measure this central angle in the sector POR. So these are the things that we have to study in this circles lesson. All the theory parts are discussed now. Then we'll meet. Now all the theory parts in the circles lesson is discussed. We'll meet from a new video soon. Goodbye to everybody.